Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 44, Force and Pressure. We have learned that forces applied on an object in the same direction add to one another. And if forces applied in opposite direction, then they subtract from each other. We need to specify the direction in which forces act. A force applied on an object can change its speed. If the force in the direction of motion, the speed of the object increases, and if the force is in the direction of opposite of the direction of motion, then it results in the decrease in the speed of object. For example, a goalkeeper dives or jumps to save the goal. The force applied by him can stop or deflect the ball, saving a goal being scored. So, by hitting or by applying force, direction of the object can be changed. Also, the speed of the object can be changed. On the other hand, in order to move a tire faster, it has to be pushed repeatedly, which means that the force has to apply in the direction of motion of an object. These observations suggest that a force applied on an object may change its speed. If the force applied on the object in the direction of its motion, the speed of the object increases, and if the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, then it results in decrease in the speed of the object. A change in either the speed of an object or its direction of motion, or both. What it is called? It is called change in state of motion. इसको क्या कहते हैं बच्चों हम? Change in states of motion. So, which situation is called change in states of motion? Either change in either the speed of an object or its direction of motion. Now, there are also some situations in which objects are not free to move. For example, pressuring a lump of dough with hands or rolling a ball of dough to make chapati. The application of force in these cases leads to change in shape of an object. It means by applying force, we can also change the shape of an object. Now answer the following question. Give two examples of situations in which there is a change in a state of motion of an object due to force. So you have to give two examples. You can give any two examples in the surroundings, or you can write. First one is to stretch the bow by applying force, or an athlete making a high jump to clear a bar. Or you can write any other examples of changing in speed of an object by applying force. Question number 2. State the effect of force in the following situation. First one is change in shape, or change in speed, or change in direction. Squeezing a piece of lemon, it is change in shape. A batsman hitting a ball, it is change in speed as well as change in direction also. Third, or C, a car is stopped by applying brakes, change in speed. And D, a blacksmith hammer a hot piece of iron, it is change in shape. Now question number 3. Give 2 examples from your surroundings where force can change the direction and state of motion. So you can write any 2 example. First one is rolling of marble on the floor, and second, make the table or chair move by giving it a push or pull. Answer question number 4. What will happen if applied force is in the direction opposite to the direction of motion? If the applied force is in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, then it results in a decrease in the speed of object, or also it can stop the moving object. Thanks for watching.